So yun guys, 20 minutes to order tayo. Siga, 2 flavors, isa ka party. Let's go. So 20 minutes, timer na natin, time check. 6:20. So tara, tatakbo muna tayo. Let's see kung ilang kilometers sa mga ano natin bago mag-20 after 20 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. 6:25. 5 minutes has passed. Kasi nagsapatos pa tayo. Hindi nga pala ako nakasapatos. Let's see. So we have 15 minutes bago maluto yung potato corner. Let's go. 1K. Let's go. Time check. 6:32. May 18 minutes na lang tayo. Pamula 6:20 nung niluto. Let's go. Sana maka 3K tayo. 2K. Mulan guys. 6:36. 4 minutes na lang. Let's go. .5 500 meters more. Let's go. 2 minutes remaining. 200 meters more. 1 minute. Let's go. 3 kilometers. Woo. Let's go. Lumabas tayo 2 minutes. Let's see kung luto na yung fries. Alright, 6:42. Let's check it out. If natapos yung ating fries. 20 minutes daw. Pero marami kasi nakapila. So, order tayo ng Terra, cheese and sour cream. Let's see. Potato corner. Mukhang ready na yung Terra natin. Let's go. Ate, okay na po? Katatapos lang or wala pang 1 minute?
Ay, kanina ko sir.
Okay, sige. May mga 6:35? Okay. Sige. So yun guys, sumampas tayo ng 5 minutes. Sabi kasi ni ate, 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes lang. Let's go. So yun guys, 15 minutes yung fries na Terra, cheese and sour cream. Once again, on to the next one. Bye.